Hi, money comes to those who act intelligently. I'll help you. This is the Max Bot channel. My experience in this field for 10 years. Now I have optimized my strategy with the help of a powerful AI assistant, which in 2 clicks provides me with detailed reports on key indicators and gives recommendations. You can get the bot for free. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages. He will tell you everything. The link is in the description. After a month you will be able to get it only for a fee, so I recommend you to hurry up, friends. And right now I'll make 2 trades, and the robot will help me. Currency pair pound, yen. Time frame 5 minutes. Recommendation from artificial intelligence, active purchase. 9 indicators shout about the strength of the bulls. I agree with the bot, in this case the market is really talking straight. I hit the green button on the broker. Friends, to not miss new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments, we need your feedback. According to the volume histogram we can see that in the past hour the buyers were actively building up their advantage. The price rose, after which a period of sideways movement began. I think that now the price will go down a bit, after which it will push back from the support zone again and take off. I am waiting for a new impulse, on the background of information on indicators. By the way, people, now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. But that's not all. Here is another super offer. Using the link in the description together with the bot you will get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. If you're struggling in trading right now, this is for you. If you've blown accounts, doubted your worth, wanted to smash your laptop, this is for you. If you've ever whispered, maybe this just isn't for me, read this with your full attention. Because here's the truth, it's not over. You're just early. Rule number 1. Risk management equals survival. Let's stop sugarcoating it. Most traders lose because they go in too big, too fast, too emotional. Think about it. You wouldn't bet your entire savings on a single hand of poker. You wouldn't pour all your startup capital into one ad campaign. So why would you go all in on one trade? Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Ever. That means $100 deposit equals $1 to 2 trades. $500 deposit equals $5 to 10 trades. $1,000 deposit equals $10 to 20 trades. Sounds small? Sure, but it's how pros stay in the game. It's how small wins stack into big profits. It's how you stop gambling and start compounding. Big deposits, bigger potential, only if you stay smart. Let's be real. The more you invest, the more you can earn, with the same logic. Let's break it down. With a $100 deposit, trading $1, one win gives you 80 cents. With a $1,000 deposit, trading $10, that same win gives you $8. Same trade, same signal, 10x result. But here's the catch. If you break your risk rule, it crashes just as fast. That's why I say, invest more only when you're ready to respect the system. Discipline before deposit. In the meantime, I successfully completed my first trade. Now it's time for the second. Active buying. This is the bot's recommendation for the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. 8 indicators are glowing green. 2 are red. 1 is neutral. The bulls have potential, which should help me achieve my target in the next 5 minutes. Friends, if you like this video, put a like and comment. It would be my pleasure. Historical data shows a roller coaster, but volumes are highlighted by green column arrays. I think price will now push back from the support zone and move higher again. Yes, the bears are resisting, but buyers have a stronger opportunity on the longer term. Friends, we help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. And we also have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. Start simple. Support and resistance. The market's memory zones. Candlestick patterns. Emotion in motion. Volume spikes. When the crowd screams. Trend lines. The market's roadmaps. Every chart tells a story. Every spike, every dip, it's psychology. It's traders like you making decisions. The more fluent you get in technical analysis, the less you rely on luck, and the more you build conviction. Everyone starts somewhere. Let's talk about Iron Man. Tony Stark didn't build his first suit in a lab. He built it in a cave. With scraps. That's you right now, learning, struggling, building under pressure. Or Rocky Balboa. Underdog, beaten down, laughed at. But he showed up, every single day. And when the time came, he earned respect. You don't need to win every round. You just need to keep swinging. Listen, I built a smart trading assistant that simplifies the process for you. It tracks chart behavior, spots key movements, and helps you stay focused and disciplined. It's not magic. It's a tool, one I use myself, and one that's helped others get consistent. And right now, it's free. No pressure. No hype. But if you're serious about leveling up, check the link in the description and grab it while it's available. I personally know people who've walked away from their 9-to-5s and now live off trading. Not influencers, not screenshots, real people. They didn't get lucky. They got disciplined. They showed up, studied, applied, tracked everything. They kept their trades clean, their risk low, their mindset sharp. They don't live lavish, but they live free. And that, to me, is the real win. In the meantime, I have completed my work. 2+ trades. $1,925 in profit. Pick up the bot for free and take the course for your development. Links in the description. Bye.